Now we will have the presentation from Fortinet. I would request Mr. Ramanan Chidambaram, Director Sales Fortinet India, to address the audience. Mr. Ramanan has over 27 years of rich experience in handling various national and regional positions for leading global and national IT companies, including Ingram Micro, Cisco, Nortel, Citrix, and IBM. He holds different leadership positions and is instrumental for organizations' growth. Ramanan has a strong attitude towards managing and developing strategic partnership with global SIs, regional partners, alliances, and distributors for developing joint GTM strategies and grow together. And he is also a firm believer of value and consultative selling with strong technology fundamentals.
Good afternoon, good evening, and really happy to meet you all virtually through this event. Thanking Wars India for connecting us. You have been a great supporter for Fortinet over so many years. Partners are in our DNA, and we really trust and value your partnership, your business with us for so many years. So today I'm going to take some time sharing with you what's happening, the change which is happening in the industry. And so let me introduce before myself, I am Ramanan Chidambaram, heading and driving the SD-WAN business for Fortinet in India. So I am going to share some of the facts today in terms of what's happening in the industry and how do we grow together the new business which is coming up in the market today. So as we all know that there is a transition which is happening across the, one is from the infrastructure as a service, organizations are moving as a service model, applications are moving on to the private cloud or the public cloud. The adoption for multiple public clouds is increasing year over year. And post-COVID, we all know that the kind of remote workforce, the way people working remotely, and it's going to continue, right? So the traditional methodology or the approach of the network security is no longer going to help organizations to grow their business significantly and for a betterment of the productivity. So the current architecture of branches having the point product solutions of having switches, Wi-Fi, routers, the firewall, and having a hub and spoke model of the data center, having the centralized internet security controls mechanisms, all those things has to change now, because the application landscape and the data landscape is changed. It's no longer it's residing on the data center in a place. It's all distributed across. The apps are becoming to a lot of SaaS applications coming in place now. And from the user perspective, is very simple that everybody's expectation is to have a very simplified access to the applications and data. From the IT perspective, to have a complete control, centralized control environment, and at the same time have a tight, secure, way of getting access to any of the environment to give those flexibility to the users. From the management side, definitely it is to kind of reduce the cost, the total cost of ownership, how we can able to reduce, and how IT can able to improvise the business side of it for the organization. So considering all these factors in place, it is important to have look at a different way of approach at the way the network security deployment is happening over the period of time. So as I said, it's all been a very four different, or probably in the branches, you may have a lot of different components over there. It's very difficult for IT to implement, manage, and even for the users, to have multiple layer of has to pass through in terms of accessing their applications and data. So that's where, and to add on to that, it's very important for the IT to have this analytical and have that centralized visibility in place. So considering the way the industry is changing, Fortinet came with our secure SD-WAN concept of having the entire branch in one single solution, having a full-fledged SD-WAN functionalities, the next generation firewall, advanced routing, ZTNA, and the entire thing works on one single OS, one single management, a single pane of glass, you can say. Even we have incorporated, have the same FortiOS on the branch switching and the Wi-Fi, wherein you can have the entire branch control centrally managed. And that is something which really helps customers in terms of this whole consolidation of multiple branch products. It's just not only a consolidation from the technology or from the management perspective, definitely from the cost perspective also, it really makes an impact for the customers to have a very good ROI and lesser TCO as well. So the FortiGate, which is traditionally you all been selling the market as the next generation firewall, one of the proven solution, and have great recognition, and we continue to lead these firewall, next generation firewall space as the leaders. So we have incorporated all the other components to help customers in terms of having a complete holistic solution. The way the market is moving, as I said, that it's just not only the physical appliance, this entire solution is available as a physical appliance, as a virtual, and also available on the cloud in all the different the licensing parameters possible, which is going to be beneficial to the customers as well. So the traditional network approach of having MPLS, having broadband, and a lot of customers feel that MPLS is the enterprise link, for various reasons. So SD-WAN helps customers to bridge this, break this myth, and brings that any kind of connectivity is going to, we are going to secure it, and we are going to ensure that the SLA is being taken care by having a fabulous SD-WAN technology which is built in. It's very, very simple to manage, configure, install, and for the users, it's a agile solution and very, very cost effective, bringing all these components or elements together, the networking and the security and SD-WAN functionalities together in one single roof. So the benefit for the IT is the users are going to have a fabulous experience. Application, it's an app aware SD-WAN technology which is built in, and it's going to really benefit the users with a high quality of experience accessing their apps and data sitting across anywhere in any domain. The same way, the accelerated network and security convergence, because it's very, very critical and important, as we said, then it's time for branches to have a separate secure entity on their own, take decisions, policy, security policies, and absolutely a control managed branch. And most importantly, effective operations across the WAN and cloud edges. You may have a data center in one place, the DR in other cloud, and branches spread across completely, and people working from home. So the entire new dimension IT landscape which is expected is all being addressed in this solution. As a business outcome, the users are happy, having a fabulous experience and the productivity improvement. And you will see a significant improvement on the business uptime, and reduces the risk and the compliance factors. And most importantly for the organizations, helps reduce a huge amount of money from the overall total cost of ownership, whatever the money which they are spending on the IT infrastructure. This has been well recognized by Gartner, and we are Fortinet is the leader in the WAN edge, which is nothing but the SD-WAN, and and we continue to lead. And it's like just not on the factor that it's on various elements which Gartner has analyzed, and we are 3 out of 5 use cases. We are ranked as the #1 vendor when it comes to secure SD-WAN. It's not only from the Magic Quadrant, Gartner also does the customer choice, and we are rated the best SD-WAN technology, which is recognition from the customers. Like huge amount of customers has recognized us as the best SD-WAN vendor. So this is one of the great way to position the new technology, understanding the customer requirement, and take them to the next level, which is going to help meet their current and future expectations and the IT landscape. Why Fortinet? Absolutely, we are the leaders in this space, and the SD-WAN cannot exist today without the security. And Fortinet being the leaders in the security space, we have the full-fledged security. It's a secure, full-fledged secure SD-WAN. We have a fabulous channel ecosystem. You all been taking our solution to your customers over so many years, and this is the technology which you should also take it to the customers. And this is something which all the customers are looking in for today, and it's a great value for money solution to the customers. And we have been proving we have a lot of customer adoption in the market, and we are pretty confident that this secure SD-WAN solution is going to help both of our organizations to reap great revenue benefits in the coming years. Some of the use cases, like, as you all aware, it's not only from the DCDR replication perspective, the secure branch solution, and it has fabulous use cases which you all can take it up to the market. So just last one, I just wanted to take a minute to highlight what's in it for partners taking this solution to the market, which is very critical and important. First thing is, this has a huge potential as per the analysts, that this is one of the technology which has a high growth potential of, in the next few years down the line, 35% CAGR is a fabulous growth, and we could see that adoption in terms of the increase of revenue happening in the India as well. So you have a lot more to go and sell to your customers, and what's in it for partners? You more revenue, you have the opportunity to go and cross-sell, upsell Fortinet Secure SD-WAN to your customers, huge services revenue, right? All is required is to have a Fortinet certified SD-WAN certified resources, so that you can have a huge services revenue from your existing and new account, net new, new customer acquisition as well. The opportunity, as I mentioned, that it has a huge potential of growth from the technology perspective. Consolidation is the need of all your customers are looking for this solution, and this is the right time for you all to focus on the secure SD-WAN and take it to the market. Focus and lead your discussion and conversation with the secure SD-WAN, right? The conversion factor, we have seen this sales cycle, it's a very short sales cycle, and the conversion factor between pipeline and the opportunity closures is very, very high for this solution. And and overall, we can say that the potential, considering the potential and the revenue factor for the partners, this is one of the best solution, and the working with Fortinet Secure SD-WAN. So with that, I think I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to share. And we all are here to extend our support, and we look forward for your support to take Fortinet Secure SD-WAN solution to your customers. Thank you so much. And before I close, I would like to thank VARS India, and wishing all the winners of this event today. Thank you so much, and thanks for the great opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Ramanan, for sharing a wonderful presentation.